Hi, welcome back to the BMX DAD channel. Today we are going to give this bike a going over. I'm going to build it for a friend of mine. He'd like right side drive chrome frame bike, red wheels, white wall tyres, and I may well put on a red stem. I'm not sure yet. So yeah, let's see how we get on. Well, the first job, I'm going to take the wheels off, get these pegs off, remove the chain, the cranks and the sprockets. So that's the wheels done, crank switched over to the other side. I was putting a white chain on, having a bit of difficulty with it, and I've run out of time. So this is the bike so far. So it's all finished off now. Matte black the handlebars, some new grips. It's looking lovely. A little bit muddy. Look at that brake. There we go.